welcome back to the channel. Today we are featuring my youngest son, that is Troy. Say hi, Troy.
Hi.
And you saw me in the video the other day. I found the 3 mini pizza crusts as well as this artesian flatbread. So what better way to use it than for a Sunday lunch? Let the kids make their own pizza. So the 3 mini crusts did come with their own little packets of sauce. I couldn't find pizza sauce at the store, and I figure this should still do it for the other stuff. So we got that. We got some Italian-style cheese, and then we got some pepperonis. So he can do an all cheese. He can do a pepperoni. I don't have a ton of toppings, but it's all good. So let me open those packets for him, and we will come back so he can make his pizza. Start putting the sauce on that pizza. I don't know if those little packets is enough for one full pizza. You might need more than one packet. There's a possibility of that. We don't know. I've bought these before, you know, and they were uncooked. We did our own Lunchables with it. That was pretty cool. That was awesome. Kids loved it. I basically packed the crust and the sauce with some toppings, and they made their own pizzas. But I cut the crust at home and put them in a baggie so that way it wasn't such a small amount. Well, such a huge pizza. That's a rather large Lunchable crust. So that's what I had done before for them. But I'm going to let him spread that sauce around. If he needs more, you can grab one of the other pre-opened packages and put a little bit more sauce on there. If Landon wants to come over and make his own pizza, he can make his own pizza. There's my daughter Autumn over there. I don't know if she's going to make her own pizza.
Sure.
The sunlight's kind of coming in over there. She's kind of in a glare. But he's putting his sauce on, and then he's going to figure out what toppings he wants. But tell me, that's not like the perfect way to utilize those crusts.
I know,
Let the kids make their own yummy pizzas. I'm trying to eat healthy, so I don't know if I'm going to make it. There's Landon. You've never really met Landon. You've heard him in the background, but there's Landon. That's the middle child.
Cheese.
So Troy's going to add cheese. I don't know what else he's going to do, if he's going to put pepperoni or just have a cheese pizza. These are more or less just heat up. They don't really need to be cooked for long. You might want to put a little more cheese than that, because otherwise it's going to be relatively bare. I know you like cheese, so you might want more. Put it more in the middle there. Put it all on the sides. Put it on the middle. Teaching the kids how to cook their own meal. Easy meal, easy cooking. So I think you're good on the cheese. Now he wanted pepperoni, I think he was going for.
I want pizza.
You're going to get pizza if you settle down and wait 2 minutes.
Pepperoni.
Oh. So he's just about done with his pizza. He's got to have extra pepperoni, apparently.
Yeah.
Okay, now we move on to the next child. But again, guys, this was simple. It comes at Aldi's. It's a 3-pack of mini crusts. Comes with the individual little sauces.
Yeah.
The artesian flatbread. That's also very good for like a pizza. Not sure if we're even making that today. We might just be letting them make their pizzas. Because, you know, this isn't the healthiest. She does have shorts on, guys. Yes, just use the same thing. But that is my daughter. It's okay. You're going to be putting cheese on your pizza regardless. I know you're not going to have a cheeseless pizza.
Yeah.
Picky children. So we put the sauce on. You kind of met Autumn in a video previously where she was doing the taekwondo. But this is the first time you get to meet her, and she's making a mess. At least she's eating that pizza, so it's all good. I'm going to let her make hers up, and I guess I'm making the other one up, because the other child, who was so ambitious that he wanted pizza this minute, then decided he was going to pester his siblings until he got mad and said, I ain't going to do it no more. Gotta love kids. Got to love kids. Personality disorders galore.
Mommy, you will write me?
What? Oh my
Said you
goodness.
like me.
Well, of course I like you. You're my child.
Hi, Mommy, write me.
I don't know how many other people would deal with your shenanigans, but you're my child.
And now I got the cheese.
And then she's gonna cheese it up. Cheesy, cheesy. Like I said, this is a simple little recipe of cooking from the dumpster. These kids don't know how to just put the ingredients on. We gotta make it look pretty so it can melt and it doesn't look pretty no more, but we gotta make it pretty at first.
No.
That's what they're thinking. They gotta make it pretty.
We have to make
I'm just
it
making
pretty
sure that it's
after.
spreaded around.
Spread is the plural way of saying spread. We don't need an ED at the end.
Okay, whatever. Whoops, I'm dropping cheese as I do this.
And the Hoover vacuum cleaner is cleaning up that cheese she's dropping. You guys didn't see this on the channel, but all that dog food was dumpster dog food. Back when PetSmart and Petco were throwing out all the wellness. That's what's still left of what I found.
Yeah, we still have our dogs.
And I have 3 large dogs, guys. See, I used to put my videos on the other channel, on the R5 Adventures channel. So some of those videos, like the dog food, are over there. And not on the diving channel. So I've had some pretty nice scores over time. I don't know what she's doing. She's got to make it look pretty. Got to have like 20 pieces of sausage or
Hey,
sausage.
I didn't do that.
Pepperoni. That's a bit much.
No.
That is a bit much.
And we're
But I'm going to make up that last one, heat these up, and I'll come back when it's done. And the pizza is done. We got an all cheese, 2 pepperoni, and then we use the flatbreads to make an all pepperoni and an all cheese. Yummy. Let's dig in. If you guys are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe, ring that bell, and we'll catch you on the next one.